Hello children, how are you all? I hope everybody is fine, okay? So now today we are going to learn the sound of the letter U. U says a. Now listen and repeat with me. Uggy, the bug says a. A says the letter U. Up goes the umbrella, a umbrella, an umbrella for Aggie. Okay, Aggie, you got it. Let's go and read it again. Aggie the bug says a says the letter U. Up goes the umbrella, a umbrella, an umbrella for Aggie. Okay? Aggie the bug says a says the letter U. Up goes the umbrella, a umbrella, an umbrella for Aggie. Okay, repeat it again and learn it properly. Okay, now let us see the exercise. The exercise says join the letter to the picture. What is the letter? The letter is U. What is the sound? Remember, what is the sound? Yes, the sound is a. So, a is reaching to a umbrella. Good job. Next, again a. Okay. Again is going up. Great job. Now do this exercise in your book. Okay? Happy learning, children. Bye-bye.